For centuries, living past 100 was pure fantasy. Today, science is making it possible. We're on the edge of a revolution in human longevity, where the real question is not if we can live longer, but how. At the forefront is LACELLIC, a company aiming to extend not just lifespan, but healthspan, so we live longer, healthier, and more vibrant lives. Their secret? Harnessing the power of our own stem cells and immune cells to repair and rejuvenate from within. This marks a shift from treating disease to proactively maintaining health throughout a much longer life. Imagine 80-year-olds with the vitality of someone decades younger. LACELLIC's approach targets the root causes of aging, aiming to redefine what it means to grow old. Their vision make later years as productive and fulfilling as our youth. This isn't about a single fountain of youth, but a comprehensive system for lifelong health. By understanding aging at the cellular level, they're developing targeted interventions to slow or even reverse decline. The journey to 150 starts by unlocking the power already inside our cells. This is the story of how we might do it. To live to 150, we need to understand two key players: stem cells and immune cells. Stem cells are the body's master repair crew, able to become any cell we need. But as we age, they dwindle, and our bodies struggle to heal. Stem cell therapy aims to replenish these cells, potentially slowing aging and repairing damage. Now, immune cells, our body's defense force. Natural killer, NK cells, are especially powerful, hunting down threats like cancer and infections. But aging weakens our immune system, leaving us vulnerable. Immune cell therapy, especially with NK cells, boosts our natural defenses, helping us fight disease as we age. By combining stem cell regeneration with immune cell protection, we create a two-pronged approach to longer, healthier lives. It's about rebuilding and defending the body, staying strong and resilient for decades more. This is the foundation of LACELLIC's strategy. The future of aging starts here. LACELLIC's breakthrough is an integrated platform built on two technologies, EvoStem and EvoNK. EvoStem uses mesenchymal stem cells to repair tissues and reduce inflammation, rejuvenating skin, joints, and organs from within. EvoNK supercharges our immune system by powerful natural killer cells, boosting our body's ability to fight disease as we age. These platforms ensure every treatment is pure, potent, and safe, ready for real-world use. What sets LACELLIC apart is how these systems work together, providing a comprehensive solution for aging. From sourcing the best cells to growing them in advanced bioreactors, the process is streamlined and scalable. This makes advanced therapies more accessible and affordable. By combining regeneration and defense, LACELLIC is redefining what's possible for healthy aging. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better at every stage. The future of medicine is here. Turning cell therapy from concept to reality is complex, but LACELLIC's platform bridges the gap. Every step, from lab research to patient treatment, is tightly controlled for safety and effectiveness. Stem cells can rejuvenate skin or reduce inflammation. NK cells patrol the body for threats. Standardized, scalable treatments mean more people can benefit, making healthy aging mainstream. Imagine retirement as a new beginning, with energy to travel, learn, and contribute for decades more. Chronic diseases could become manageable, not debilitating. This isn't just personal, it's a societal transformation, with generations contributing longer. LACELLIC partners with hospitals and researchers worldwide to accelerate adoption. Their collaborative approach ensures these therapies reach as many people as possible. The dream of a 150-year lifespan is moving from the lab to reality. LACELLIC's work signals a shift from reactive to proactive healthcare. By using our own cells to repair and defend, we can address aging before it leads to disease. A world where people live healthy lives to 150 would reshape careers, families, and society itself. LACELLIC's EvoStem and EvoNK platforms are the tools making this possible. The journey is just beginning, but a standardized, scalable platform is a monumental step. Their commitment to research and collaboration is paving the way for cell therapies to become as common as vaccines. This is about more than adding years, it's about empowering us to live our fullest, healthiest lives. LACELLIC's technologies are designed for everyone, building a new standard of healthcare. By unlocking the power within our cells, we're not just dreaming of a longer future, we're building it. One cell at a time, we're laying the foundation for a healthier tomorrow.